The insulating glass machine is a professional machine used to manufacture and process insulating glass. It can simultaneously realize cleaning, testing, assembly, and sealing processes to ensure the quality and performance of insulating glass. The manufacturing process of insulating glass machines generally goes through the following steps. Glass cutting. First, cut the original glass into blocks of appropriate size, according to the design requirements. Cleaning. The cut glass blocks will go through a cleaning process to remove dirt, grease, and other impurities on the surface to ensure that the next process can proceed smoothly. Cleaning usually uses efficient cleaning machines, which can clean large quantities of glass in a short period of time. Testing. The cleaned glass blocks need to undergo strict quality testing to ensure that they meet standards and requirements. The inspection process is usually carried out through optical or mechanical machine, which can detect the flatness, thickness, surface defects of the glass. Assembly. The glass blocks that pass the inspection will be sent to the insulating glass machine for assembly. The insulating glass machine automatically places 2 or more pieces of glass at the required distance apart and applies sealing spacers around the edges of the glass. Sealing. The assembled glass undergoes a sealing process to ensure that gas or air in the hollow layer does not leak. Sealing generally uses efficient sealing technology, such as hot melt sealant or structural sealant. Inspection. Finally, the insulating glass is inspected again to ensure that the quality and performance meet the requirements. For example, glass appearance inspection, sealing test, thermal performance test, etc. can be performed. The above are the main steps for the production process of insulating glass machines.